Think your financial advisor is helping you grow your wealth? What if I told you they might be quietly draining your money through hidden fees? These fees are often buried in fine print, and most of the time, they go unnoticed. But here's the kicker: your advisor could be profiting off your account without you even knowing it. Stick around, because I'm about to expose what they don't want you to find out. Welcome back to the Money Map, the channel where we break down the smartest ways to grow and protect your money. If you've ever felt like your financial advisor might not have your best interest at heart, today's video is for you. We're diving deep into the shady fee traps that some financial advisors use to quietly drain your hard-earned money, and more importantly, how you can avoid falling into them. How they drain you. Number 1. Asset-based fees. One of the most common hidden fees you might be paying is asset-based fees. These fees mean that your advisor earns a percentage of your portfolio's value, so the more your balance grows, the more they earn. Sounds good, right? Well, not always. The catch is that they get paid more, even if they didn't do anything to help your account grow. It's like paying someone a commission just for holding on to your money, regardless of the work they put in. Number 2. Trailing commissions. Another sneaky fee to watch out for is trailing commissions. These are ongoing cuts from the funds your advisor sold you, and they're paid to your advisor every year, just for recommending those funds. Even if the advisor isn't actively managing your money, they continue to get paid as long as you stay invested in those funds. It's like a monthly tip that doesn't stop, even though they're not doing any additional work to earn it. Number 3. Front-load fees. Front-load fees are another trick some advisors use to drain your money. These are fees you pay up front, just to invest in certain funds. So, before you even see any returns, you're already out of pocket. It's like paying an entry fee just to play a game, even if you haven't won anything yet. These fees can really add up, especially if you're investing for the long term, and they don't always lead to better results. Number 4. Wrap fees are another hidden cost to watch out for. These are bundled fees that cover multiple services, like portfolio management, financial planning, and research, all rolled into one package. On the surface, it seems convenient, right? But here's the catch. When you add it all up, you're often paying more than if you had purchased each service separately, à la carte. It's like buying a value meal at a restaurant that ends up costing you more than ordering just what you need. One of the main reasons you might miss these fees is because they're hidden in the fine print. Advisors often use vague language like, "Don't worry, it's all taken care of," making it sound like everything is under control, when in reality, you might be paying more than you realize. And when you receive your statements, they don't always show a detailed breakdown of what you're being charged. This lack of transparency makes it easy for these fees to slip under the radar, so it's crucial to ask for a clear explanation and look out for those hidden charges. What to watch out for? To protect yourself from these hidden fees, always ask for a fee breakdown. Don't just accept vague answers, demand transparency. If your advisor hesitates or brushes you off, that's a red flag. Another important tip is to avoid commission-based advisors. These advisors may have incentives that aren't aligned with your best interests. Instead, look for fee-only fiduciary advisors who are legally obligated to act in your best interest. You can also use tools like Smart Asset or NerdWallet to compare fees and find the most cost-effective options available for your financial needs. Have you ever felt like your advisor charged you more than you expected? I'd love to hear your experiences. Drop a comment below and let's help each other out. It's important that we all stay informed and protect our money. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more no-nonsense money tips. I'm here to help you navigate your financial journey.